To use Bill4Time QuickBooks integration, start by setting up the connection between the two systems first. Navigate to the Bill4Time website and log into your account. Click on the Settings icon and select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the QuickBooks section and click on the Connect to QuickBooks button. You will be redirected to the QuickBooks website to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can configure the integration settings. Choose the QuickBooks company you want to integrate with and select the billing and accounting preferences. You can also specify the invoice and payment mapping options. For example, you can choose to sync invoices from Bill4Time to QuickBooks as sales invoices or credit memos. Next, sync your data from Bill4Time to QuickBooks. Click on the Sync Now button to transfer your invoices, payments, and clients from Bill4Time to QuickBooks. You can also schedule automatic syncs on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. To ensure a seamless integration, it is essential to reconcile your data regularly. Run a reconciliation report in Bill4Time to identify any discrepancies between the two systems. You can also use the QuickBooks reconciliation report to verify the accuracy of the synced data. Best practices for using Bill4Time QuickBooks integration include regularly reviewing and updating your integration settings, monitoring your sync logs for errors, and maintaining accurate and consistent data entry in both systems. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your billing and accounting processes, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. In practical terms, the Bill4Time QuickBooks integration can save you time and reduce manual data entry. For example, when you create an invoice in Bill4Time, it will automatically be synced to QuickBooks, eliminating the need for duplicate entry. Similarly, when a payment is recorded in Bill4Time, it will also be reflected in QuickBooks, ensuring that your accounting records are always up to date. Overall, the Bill4Time QuickBooks integration is a powerful tool that can help you manage your billing and accounting processes more efficiently. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adopting best practices, you can maximize the benefits of this integration and achieve greater accuracy and productivity in your financial management.